Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today I am going to show you how to change the front exhaust gasket, part number 3610047 on a 2003 Polaris Sportsman 700 twin. So what you're going to need is a tool for pulling a spring. If you don't have this tool, it is a pain in the butt. So with this, it's way easier. And then all you got to do is pull, and they come right off. These springs seem like they're not really pulling at all, so I'm going to have to see what's up with that, if I need new springs or whatnot. So once you get that off, you just pull it back. You might have to take off the other two springs up here. Let me check and I will be right back. Alright, I am back. So yes, you do have to take off these back two springs as well, so that you can pull up on the exhaust and get the gasket in the front there. So I'm going to get these two taken off, and then I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks like up front. Alright, I'm back. As you can see, the old one is shot. So what you do, sorry my hand's in the way, is you reach in there and grab the old one and take it off, and then you get the new one and it'll just slide right on the end there, and then you use the two springs and you tighten it on up the opposite of how we took it off. I hope this helped you out. If you guys wanted to know how to change the front exhaust gasket on a 2003 Polaris Sportsman 700 twin. In the comments below, let me know if you guys have any questions. Hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.